Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change the alarm volume on your Android phone. Let's get into the method. There might be two different ways to change the alarm volume. Firstly, try pressing the volume buttons on the side of the phone to bring up the main volume level. There might be a 3 dots icon that appears on or just below this volume slider, and if you tap on this, you'll be able to change all the volume levels on your device. If you see one for alarms, you can change the volume here. Check that your device doesn't have silent mode or do not disturb mode turned on if you can't change this. The next method to change it is to adjust the volume within the clock app. Open this app, you can search for it on the apps page if you can't find it, and then tap on alarms at the bottom. Next, either long press on the set alarm here and tap on settings, or expand the alarm settings by tapping on the arrow in the top right corner of it. You could also try tapping once on the alarm itself. There could now be a volume slider on this page for this alarm, or you may have to tap on the alarm sound to change it. You could also try adjusting the volume with the volume buttons on the side of your device here to see if this changes the alarm volume. That's how to change the alarm volume on your Android phone. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Android device. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.